I am Professor Dr. Rana Rai, WBS Group A, Government of West Bengal. Today we are standing at Mayer Bari. This is the home of Sharada Ma. She entered this house in 1911. Sharada Ma said that she is not only the Ramakrishna's wife or any Devi, but real human being with blood and flesh, who said, quote, I am the mother of both honest and dishonest, unquote. He is a great spiritual repository. He even fought the English when they tried to close this house. He firmly confirmed that there is no violence take place. When in 1909 Aurobindo Ghosh was at jail, his wife Mrinalini Devi came repeatedly to Ma, and later after releasing and before going to Pondicherry, Aurobindo himself came to this house. This house is also the repository of divinity and spiritual upliftment and illumination. We are very proud, not only proud, but feeling blessed by standing here behind this house. Girish Chandra Ghosh and different luminaries of the time of Calcutta came to this house and got blessing of Ma. There are many stories related house. Before this is some kind of thatched house, and at this street, a drunken man came at the night and said, Ma, Ma, Ma. Ma, come to this veranda, to that veranda, and bless her. In later days, he became ill and he breathed his last at this house. On her birthday, we appeal to the whole mankind. The service the mother said about love and humanity must be paid. Mother still is like a shelter to us. By only seeing her photo, we can come of this place. My son Rajit, if you want to say something, please say.
I have nothing to say today, but only I am here. It could be also said we celebrate birthday parties nowadays. It is mother's birthday, and we are very proud that we are here. Joy Ma.
There are thousands and thousands of people gathering there. Look, thousands and thousands of people are gathering there. And all came there and got blessed and loved. So still, Ma is very important to us. We are in the main front door of the Mayer Bari, main front door of the Mayer Bari.
এখানে লাইনটাকে আপনারা সরিয়ে রাখুন না, লাইনে থাকুন।
From the Mayer Bari, this Mayer Ghat is a very short distance. Ma came to this path regularly for bathing. We can see here a You can see here a platelet. শ্রীমা সারদা দেবী বাগবাজার উদ্বোধন বাড়িতে 1909 থেকে 1920 থাকাকালীন এই ঘাটে প্রায় প্রতিদিন স্নান করতে আসেন। সেই কারণে এই ঘাটটি আজ একটি পবিত্র তীর্থ। এই তীর্থভূমির মর্যাদা রক্ষা করা আমাদের সকল কর্তব্য। So almost 1909 to 1920 till his last breath he regularly bathed at she is regularly bathed here. This is the path from where he went on back when she went on the bath cart. This is the particular path. Now there is seeing the rail line of Chakra rail. That time it is not. There is no rail line, and all the place is leading to the bath cart. So she is going to bath cart like that. We are coming in front of the Ganges. We are coming near and near to the streets of the bath. We are seeing all these steps leading to the bath ghat. Here she bath every day. It is a very holy place, and there we can see there we can see a there is a statue. There is a statue of Sarada Ma. Statue আছে এখানে তো ঢুকলে There is a statue of Sarada Ma.
गंगाजं सरि समुद्रं सरंस्यायं तु जजमानस्य पुरितसकारकं माता गंगाय नमः भगवताय नमः तत्फलसे शारदादेवी
Irrespective of class, caste and religion, she loved everybody as Ma, and she became the shelter. Still today, she is the shelter of love to us, and by only seeing his photo or statue, we get tremendous amount of energy in life, in spite of all difficulties. A thrust to live once again with vigor.